sure we have enough burn gel in the infirmary.
Excuse me, ma'am, but burn gel won't help. The DBs are armed with more than shock rifles now.
Wait. Jin's using lethal force? Oh, shit. Get everyone inside the meeting hall, now! William, evacuate the school. Make sure no little ones are left behind. Secure the power station.
Nice shot, kid. Reyna, the wall guns are ready.
Carmine, get back up there. How's our ammunition?
Everything we have is here.
Well, let's hope it's enough. Go on inside. The cog's almost here. Deploy the fabricator. Go and barricade the hall.
Hey, what's the count? Everyone's here, except for Mackenzie and Eli.
They're fine. They're trading with the South Village. Lock it up.
Kate! Is the cog really coming to take us away?
Yeah, sweetie. They are. But you'll be safe in there. I promise.
All right, William, lock it up.
So?
We're good here. Everyone's accounted for.
Your First Minister is fond of the grand gesture.
Yeah, she doesn't do subtle.
Well, neither do I. Defend this door, and let's show her exactly what happens when you attack outsiders.
Okay, get on that fabricator and build some defenses.
Good. Ammo. Ah!
There's a dropship!
Here we go!
Hey! Carmine took it out! See, Kate, I'm an excellent teacher. I taught him everything he knows. Oh, shit! Carmine!
God damn that bitch! Everyone get ready!
Those DBs want to get at our people, they're gonna have to go through me! Oh, yeah!
gotta keep the DBs away from the villagers! Thanks! This'll work. What did I drop?
Engaging targets.
Anybody else see that? Nice!
We've got another condor!
Guys, we've got trackers!
Tracker destroyed! Dead! Ready to roll!
DB Shepard ready to ascend.
Good boy. Get there!
Unlawful systems identified.
Back to where we came from!
Commencing reload.
Take it! Watch that tracker!
All right, we held them off. But that was just the start. We need more fortifications. Build anything that'll slow them down.
On it!
I can't believe Jin actually went through with this.
It must have been something you said.
Oh yeah, it had nothing to do with you chopping our head off.
They're back!
We're ready. Just keep them away from the door. They've destroyed the main gate.
Here they come!
Reload commencing.
Another Shepard destroyed! Throw and drag!
Attack!
Fire in the hole! Another bot destroyed!
Nice try!
Unlawful systems identified.
Count buster destroyed!
Let's jump now!
Bot down!
Look sharp, they've breached the wall! Watch the left for more DBs!
Another dead Shepard!
Keep our people safe! Nothing breaches that door!
deployed. Targets detected.
Oh, shit! Jen upgraded the Watchers, too?
Hey! They have another way up!
Shield is down!
Antisocial behavior will not be
Watch that tracker!
Shoot the shield!
Ah, damn it!
Dead!
Look sharp! Guardians!
DBs are at the door! Damn it! Crap! That's it. We held those damn DBs back. Again!
You know it's gonna get worse. Everyone, fix what you can, replace what you can't. Fast.
You go ahead, young ones. I'll check the door.
You losing your edge?
Never! I got past the DBs at Settlement 5, didn't I? Not a scratch.
You were bleeding when you came back.
I cut myself. Shaving. Ah! Ugh!
Sweet!
Mom! They destroyed the archive!
I saw. We have backups.
Of the data, not the books. The ones that Dad salvaged after Jacinto.
Hey! Everyone, get ready!
Moving.
Don't let him up here!
Throw and drag!
Another ship!
Destroyed!
DB down!
Multiple contacts acquired.
Nice! Another dead shepherd!
Drop pods! Guys, trackers incoming!
Sweet!
Got it!
Got it!
Don't let them through!
Got it! Tracker destroyed! Jack! That's the good part! Let's do this!
They brought Tracker!
Done! I gotta learn to count my shots! Got it!
Hey, that's the last of them! Good job, young ones!
Oh, shit. JD, incoming wind flare.
Oh boy.
You promised me you could steal that fabricator without provoking Jin.
Ma'am, were you listening? This has nothing to do with a fabricator.
Then what did you do?
Jin accused us of taking her people.
Yeah, whatever that means.
I told you, both of you, don't make me regret taking you in.
Mom, you know she's lying. Since when do we care what the COG thinks?
When it leads to war. You three, get the fabricator to the power station and install the inverter.
You realize Jin's coming back, right? We need to leave, now.
Get the power back on.
Fine. Whatever you want.
You, when more cogs show up, sound the alarm. Yes, ma'am.
Hey, you always said this day would come.
Which is why we stick to the plan.
Hey man, can we speed this up? Raina's mad enough as it is.
Yeah, I know. It just keeps crapping out. This thing's been through a lot today.
Yeah, well, it can join the club.
It's almost done. Okay, JD, get on that switch. Okay, fire it up.
Look at you.
Guys?
Come on, admit it. You lost faith in me for a second.
Did you touch something?
What?
Something's out there. Come on. Mom? Mom!
Hey, listen. You need to hide, and then you need to run.
What are you doing?
Hey, you have to
Let me in! Let me in!
Raina! Run!
Oscar.
Mom! Mom!
Guys, that sounded like there were dozens of them. Hundreds, like a swarm. The hell, man?
Chaz,
Kate,
Come on, let's get after him.
we have no idea where those things went. Look, Jin can help us.
Jin is trying to kill us.
Kate, listen.
Hey, you're not gonna be happy about this, but I know who should see that crystal shit.
Jin has people that can handle this.
Look, you know as well as I do
They'll know.
that he can help.
who's Del talking about? Hey. Can he help or not?
Yeah, he can. The question is, will he? Come on.
You said he'd be home.
He's home. He's always home.
That house looks abandoned.
Because that's not where he lives. Follow me.
He gets like that sometimes. You're about to find out why.
Terrific.
Thought he was gonna fix the place up.
That was the plan. 15 years ago.
So, you grew up here?
I was born here. I grew up in boarding school.
Was it always like this?
No, it wasn't. I got a lot of happy memories of this place.
Wish I could say the same.
Welcome home, James.
How'd you know we were here? Huh. That's new.
Not that new.
Dad, we need your help.
I'm all done helping you.
Look, this time I'm not running from the cog.
Del, you in this too?
Waist deep.
You were supposed to keep him out of trouble.
Now, you know that's not possible.
I'd introduce myself, but you'll be leaving soon.
JD's show him.
Show me what?
Our village was attacked.
And my mother was taken.
Taken?
Along with all our friends.
Dad, you should look at this.
No, you look. I warned you not to join the cog. What did you do?
Dad.
I told you, don't go, outsider. The cog will hunt you down. Again! What did you do?
Just shut up and look!
Shit.
Guys?
Thought you said you weren't running from the cog.
Yeah, that wasn't completely accurate.
God damn it, James!
Lieutenant, time to finish our earlier conversation.
Jin, listen, you have no idea what's actually happening here.
Oh, but I do. Sedition, led by one James Dominic Phoenix, the son of a famously disgruntled old gear. Speaking of which, Sergeant, how are you? Sorry about the door.
Don't sweat it. We were just leaving.
So we're clear, Sergeant. If you choose to aid these fugitives, I can't protect you.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Holy shit!
still have a way with people, Marcus.
Just head for the back door. Let's deal with this first.
Sniper up high!
Target acquired.
Tracker destroyed!
Peacemaker online.
It's dead!
Crap!
Unit reloading.
TV destroyed! Another dead Shepherd!
Moving.
Hey, somebody come get me!
Here you go!
Reloading. Unlawful citizens identified. Engine fire.
Oh, it's red! Another dead TV!
You are authorized to subdue all.
I take it these are Jin's new toys.
Engage and
Playing
suppress.
them all day.
Come on, follow me upstairs.
What's upstairs?
God damn it, more of them! Unit is retreating.
Sniper down!
Friendly fire!
More of them up here! Multiple contacts acquired. Unit reloading. Commence engagement. Potential hostile target spotted.
Take that.
Come on, this way.
Got it.
Oh, now which damn book is it?
Yeah, now these are my kind of family heirlooms.
You kept our armor.
I knew you'd be back. Probably with your ass on fire. Let me get that.
Kind of feels like I'm wearing a door.
Good. It's supposed to. Didn't get your name.
Kate.
Well, take good care of that armor, Kate.
It belonged to my mother.
Oh, what's that?
Just calling in a favor.
Speaking of favors, you probably want this back.
Thanks, Del. All right. Time to introduce the new cog to the old cog. And clear these bucketheads out of my house. Grab what you need. Should be enough to go around.